Okay, so tell me one thing. What are the challenges do you think that are really there in meeting the needs of the women, children, and the adolescents in the case of emergencies?
Okay, I feel the most significant challenge here is that involvement of women. I feel this is because in India the crime against women is very high. So it is very important to convince women to actually go out of their homes and sign up for such programs or participate in such policies. And I feel it is very important that this is looked into, and for this, I think the most important thing that we can do is that provide safe access routes to these to the centers where these policies are being implemented. So for this, the government would probably provide services like maybe transportation services, so that there wouldn't be any danger, like nothing could happen in the way to the policy center.
Okay. So do you think there is a demand amongst the population for such policies?
I think, I'm not sure, but I think the population is not very well informed. Once they are informed, I certainly feel that they would want these kind of services.
Okay. Have you ever interacted with such people or something in the remote areas?
Yes, I think I take example of my maid. So she says that even when she goes to buy the daily ration, she feels that it is very difficult for her to go because it's in a very quiet kind of place. So she feels that she being alone, she is kind of scared to go there. So she feels that if the government provides some kind of facilities to take them there, that would be easy.